As you help America recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, we at Northfield Medical know it will be a challenge for you to catch up on elective surgeries and manage tight financial budgets. Northfield Medical was built for one purpose: to help you extend the safety and useful life of your surgical devices and other operating room equipment. And today, we are the largest fully dedicated repair and maintenance provider for surgical equipment in the United States. We repair flexible and rigid endoscopes, power and video equipment, as well as surgical and specialty instrumentation. We also provide certified pre-owned equipment as an opportunity to extend your capital spending budget. Northfield Medical has extensive resources and reach, and we serve over 3,000 hospitals, including many of the most prestigious and advanced healthcare institutions in the world. We've been doing this a long time, and our passionate and dedicated team members are prepared to serve you and support all of the wonderful, hard work your healthcare team is delivering for patients. Because of you, we are moving toward a happier and healthier world. We are Northfield Medical, and we are ready to help.